content creators all over the world are going viral with YouTube Shorts. And one of my shorts got over 1,000 views in the first 9 hours. Next level hack that I'm using on my channel to go viral with shorts is using the built-in YouTube Clips to Shorts tool. We can now make shorts from our clips, and I'm going to walk you through that. Now, this is taking into account that you've already got some clips made. If not, I'll make a short on how you could do that. Let me know in the comment section if you need me to do that. But let's say you've already got your clips. You want to go to your library. Go to your library and see where it says clip. Click that button right there for clips. Once you click that button for clips, you'll notice that all of your clips will show up. These are some clips that I have on my channel. Those clips will show up. Click either one of those, and the next thing that will show up is an icon right next to clip for shorts. Click that icon. So the next thing you'll see after that is the opportunity to make your short start where you want it to start and end where you want it to end. Now the default is for 15 seconds, which is excellent because YouTube recommends that your shorts be no longer than 15 seconds. So get to that. You could take that lever right there and you can slide that side to side. So let's say you got a clip just the way you want it. Once you click next, you'll be brought to an icon that gives you the ability to add text to it, has a timeline for those different texts, and it has filters. What I like to do is I like to start with a text just in case I want to save it for a draft later on. We'll talk more about that in a minute. So you click that icon for text. Once you click that, you'll be able to add any text that you want to add onto your shorts. You can start adding different things that you're saying. And what I usually do is listen to what I'm saying, match it up, maybe not word for word, but just putting different text in there according to what I'm saying. That is a powerful tool. So you go ahead and add your text in. The next thing you want to do is click next. It'll bring you to this graph where you can see the timeline. And that's where you can start adding and sliding those different timelines to show where you want your text to show, how long you want the text to be displayed on screen. Once you get that the way you want it. Now the thing about this is kind of tricky. It doesn't have an undo button. That's one of the things that I don't really like about it. It doesn't have a undo button. So if you mess around and touch something the wrong way, you have to go back and do it. The next thing you want to do is to give you the opportunity to see what you have and to view it. But let's say, for example, you have something going on, your cell phone rings, someone's at the door, or you just want to take a little time and take a break for a minute. Click exit. It will give you the option to save as a draft, discard those edits, or cancel the whole thing out. What I like to do is I like to do a little bit at a time, and I'll save it as a draft and exit out. So let's say that we do that, save as a draft, and then when you come back to it, it will give you the option to continue that draft, or you can start over. So let's say you got it and you would like to go ahead and continue. You can continue that draft. Once you have it exactly the way you want it, click next. Add your caption, which is simply a title, and you can add a temporary title for now just to get it uploaded. At that point, you want to click that blue icon which says upload short, and it says right there, now this is the beauty of it, it has a button right there on the short. People can click that and go right to your long form content that the short was clipped from. They are already connecting to your long form content by using this YouTube Clips tool. Now I know that's a lot. Rewind this if you have to and go back and check it out again. This is one way that I've used on my channel to get massive views and to go viral with YouTube Shorts, is using the built-in YouTube Clips to Shorts tool. And as I said before, one of the things about it, once you get it set up just the way you want it, you can click the exit button, you can come back, continue to draft. One thing about it though, once you come back to a draft that you've already been working on, they will not allow you at this time to go to a different draft and start working on that. You have to complete the draft that you've already saved. Then you can start on a new one. So that's the next level hack that I've used to go viral with my YouTube Shorts right here on YouTube. A lot of you watching this right now, you may not have decided if this thing is for you or not. I want to share this video with you right here, my 5 top reasons to be a content creator right here on YouTube. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So check that out. See me over there. Thanks again for watching and subscribing, becoming a part of the family. Stay blessed, stay positive. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.